How to fix Instagram black screen problem. Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen. So all what you have to do is just keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone, and then here all what you have to do is just open the wireless and networks on your phone and then enable the airplane mode. After you enable the airplane mode like this, then you will have to disable it again after a few seconds, and then go back and this time go to the apps manager page. Go to apps. Now here all what you have to do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds, it will start loading, and then scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find Instagram, now all what you have to do is click on force stop, and then go to the notifications management, scroll down and go to more settings. Now it will take you to this page. Or what you have to do here is make sure that this option is disabled like this. Now all what you have to do is the last thing, turn off your phone and turn it on again. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful. See you later.